This month's riff is Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. It's really simple to play on the ukulele. In fact, you only need your thumb on your playing hand and your index and ring fingers on your fretting hand. Let's go ahead and jump right in. To start here, we're going to play our open A string with our thumb. Then we'll play it a second time. Then we'll take our ring finger on our fretting hand, place it on the 3rd fret of the A string, play that, and take that finger off, play open again. Then take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd fret of the E string. And then we're going to take our index finger, place it here on the 1st fret of the E, and then take off our ring finger. Play just that note there, the one on the E string. Hold it for a while, and then we're going to take that finger away and play open on the E string. So really slowly, it sounds something like this. A little bit faster. Be sure to check out the link in the description below where you can find more lessons, more riffs, and complete song tutorials even. I hope to see you guys next time for next month's riff.